Dear friends, today we going to do acid base test with the help of litmus paper blue, litmus paper red and pH paper. For this purpose we select grapes and take grape juice and lemon from which we extract the lemon juice, water, washing powder and calcium hydroxide solution. First we take blue litmus paper and dip in grape juice and see what happen. Blue litmus paper turns red. It indicates this is acid. Now we take red litmus paper and put in this juice. And we see there is no change in color of red litmus paper. Now we take pH strip and put in grape juice and we get this color. And now we try to match this color with this scale and we see it is matching here. So pH of this solution is around 4. Now we going to test lemon juice. For that purpose we select this blue litmus paper and put this in the lemon juice solution and we see color of this litmus paper turns red. It indicates this is acid. Now we select red litmus paper and see there is no change in color. Now we take pH strip and put in this solution and now we match this with this pH scale and it is matching with 2. So pH of this lemon juice is 2. Now we take this blue litmus paper and put in this mineral water and we see there is no change in color. Now we take red litmus paper and put in this water and see there is no change in color. Now we take this pH strip and put in water and match this with this pH strip and it is, and we see this is showing pH of 6.5 something, means this water is mineral water and it is on somewhat acidic side. And now we take this blue litmus paper and put in this washing powder and see there is no change in color of blue litmus paper. And now we take red litmus paper and put in this washing powder solution and we see the color of litmus paper turns blue. This indicates this washing powder is basic in nature. And now we take this pH strip and try to check its pH with this strip. It's very dark color. So pH of this is matching with 12. Yeah, it's matching with 12. So it is pH of this washing powder is 12. And now we take this blue litmus paper and put in this calcium hydroxide solution. It's settled down, so we mix this with this glass capillary tube and we take this. There is no change in color of blue litmus paper. Now we take this red litmus paper. Color of red litmus paper turns blue, which indicates calcium hydroxide solution is basic in nature. Now we take this pH strip and put in this solution and we match this color on this pH scale. It is matching with 13. So pH of this solution is 13. So this is our acid base test, and from this we learn grape solution and lemon solution is acidic in nature, so it turn this blue litmus paper into red color, and water have pH around 7, so it do not turn color of blue or red litmus paper, while bases this washing powder solution and lime solution or calcium hydroxide solution is turns red litmus paper into blue color or dark blue color, so it is basic in nature. Thank you. If you find this video interesting, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and share this video with your friends who are interested to learning chemistry with Chemistry Notes Info. Thank you to watching this video.